it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you.
Kia ora, I'm Shar from Harcourts. Now, if you're from Christchurch, no doubt like me, you've been asked at least once, so what school did you go to? Well, if you live here at 84 Kaiwara Street, your answer is most likely going to be Cashmere High. This fantastic 4-bedroom home is in the very desirable Cashmere High School zone. Now, that's enough chit-chat from me. Why don't you come on inside and have a look?
It's just us two. Being more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight.
So this property is going to appeal to first home buyers, people looking for a project and investors alike, and it's going to be in high demand. I encourage you to get yourself to an open home soon, and I promise you I won't ask you what school you went to. Ka kite anō.